leaking fluid. Could we just be water? Constant drip. That's the source. Not like oil, it's more like water. It's parked on a flat road for a few days. Now it's parked at an angle. Hopefully it's just water. Any other? No, the other side. Let's check the other side. Engine looks oily. I'll check the levels. That just looks like water. Does it smell? Let's have a look. smells a bit oily. Not petrol. A little bit of smell of oil of some kind. No idea which oil. It's nearly 2 hours later. It stopped dripping. You can see the cup is absolutely full. So a lot of water has come out. Not much is drained. It's probably most of it went into the cup. The main thing is this stopped. It's still dripping a little bit, very slightly. Let's take it indoors. Right, there's the liquid. It says 750 milliliters poured out. This is 500 milliliter container. It's a little oily. Basically water. It smells a bit oily though. It smells a bit like engine oil. But it's not engine oil. It smells a bit oily. Not like petrol. Can I wipe it off? Yeah, it's like grease. Has it got any taste? Just filmed the water, just went through it all. I just poured it all away, but I didn't video it, dumbass. Basically I tasted it and it tasted a bit just like water, but slightly salty. Also its consistency when poured was completely of water. I concluded it was just water ingress from a leak in the roof. Because it was kept flat, it didn't flow out. When I parked it at an angle on my driveway, it flowed out. Altogether, I estimated 750 milliliters of water. So I'm not treating it as a system fault. I videoed it all, but did not record because I didn't bloody click it properly. Anyway, I don't think I've got anything to worry about.